What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Riley from Inside Out 2. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. We want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now we're going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So let's line up the top, and we want to bring that down towards the same height, go all the way around, and then back up. Let's pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So starting on the left, we're going to draw a smaller circle, just leaving a gap along the outside, and pulling that in, and we'll line that up on the right. Now on the top left side of the iris, we're going to draw a small circle for a highlight. And then in the center of the iris, we're going to draw a smaller circle for the pupil going in behind the highlight. So let's start from the bottom, come all the way around, then out. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's go back to the center, step down and add a curve for the nose, coming down and then up. Now we're going to move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Let's leave a gap underneath the nose. Starting over on the left, we're going to draw the mouth, coming down and across, and then bend that up, add a small bracket on the ends. Now we're going to draw on the bottom of the mouth, starting back over on the left, come down, across, and then up. Now from the bottom of the mouth, step down, add a short curve for the lower lip. Let's add two lines on either side. Just going to block off the teeth, fill the outsides in black. Now I want to add in the braces, starting back over on the left, curve this down the middle, then across. Now I'm going to add a couple blocks along the inside, leaving a gap in the center. On the left, draw a small square, draw another one on the right. Let's add one more on either side. Now from here, we move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. So from the outside left eye, I'm going to step out, curve the head, coming down, coming in underneath the lip, go across, and then bend that up. Let's add in the ears. We're going to bend this up, come around, and then in. And then we'll add those folds inside the ears. Starting on the left, bend this up and out. Go back to the inside, add a hook. Now with the face complete, let's draw in the hair bangs. We're going to start over on the left side on top of the ear, go across, and then up. Step down just up above the eye, add a fold, going across and then up. Bend this down in towards the left eye, go all the way out, and then up. Now you're going to round up the top of the head. We're going to go up, go across, and then bend that down. I'm going to add a fold, going across, and then back down towards the side. Let's add one more fold, starting from the side, going around, and then down towards the ear. And just curl that up towards the end. Turn this down and in towards the ear. Now I'm going to layer the right side of the hair in behind, starting up here, bend this out, and then down towards the side of the head. Let's add some more hair along the inside, starting up here, come down and out, go to the right, come down, and then out. Now going back up to the top, I'm going to go up, bend this down, let's add a point. Going back up, bend this around, and then in on top of the ear. Now just up above the right eye, we're going to add the eyebrow, starting with the bottom edge, going across, and then down, and taper this up, and then in behind the hair. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, just underneath the head, bend the body, going out, and then down towards the hip, go to the right, and do the same thing. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's go back up to the top and add a half circle for the collar, coming down and then up. And then on either side, we're going to bend the sweater, coming in and then straight down the center. Go to the right and do the same thing. let's add in some pockets. From the bottom corners of the hip, and it's up and in, and then go straight across the top. Now from here we move to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and then down towards the left heel, go over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Now I'm going to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, we're going to bend the foot, coming down and then up, go to the right and do the same thing. Let's go back over towards the left side. We want to round out the top of the foot. We're going to go up. Let's bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And we'll just curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Going up and then down. And then curl this back up. Now I'm going to go up to the hips. We're going to bend the leg. Going out and then down on top of the feet. Now from the left hip, we're going to drape the shirt coming down. Bend this across and then up. Now just up above the shoe, we're going to add the socks, coming down and then up. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. Want to take this curve, step up from the toe, and just trace that across on both sides. Now from the top of the foot, let's add that toe cap, coming in and then down. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the thumbs pointing down. We're going to start from the side of the body, come down, and then bend them up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add the first finger. Bend this around the thumb and in. Round up the finger, go out, and then up. Now I want to layer 2 more fingers along the outside. Starting from the bottom, going out, and then up. Move over, blend this into the arm, going around, up, and then in underneath the head. So do the exact same thing on the right. Add that second finger, and then the third, going all the way around, and then back in. Now from the shoulders, we're going to add the hood, going up, and then down towards the inside. And then just up above the hand, we're going to add the cuff, coming down and across the thumb. Now with the body in place, let's add the ponytail coming out from the left side. Let's start underneath the left earlobe, and come down and out. And we want to add a point, pulling this back in, come all the way down and out. And we're just going to tuck this in behind the arm, and then sign your art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Riley from Inside Out 2. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.